Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme.
Welcome to Backyard Box Gardening. Today I'm going to show you how to build the boxes for your garden and how to put it properly together. It's quite easy to do, and it shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to put it together and get it done. What you want is 60 centimeters for each side of what you're about to produce. And you'll need 4 for each part of the box because it will be 2 levels high. Once you've got all 8 pieces of wood cut, now it's time to start putting it together. Start off with your initial 2 pieces of wood and lay them flat on your work surface. You have to get the 2 ends to marry up together in order to nail the first piece in. So once you have the ends all married up, then you start putting in the nails. I use galvanized nails in the garden because regular nails have a tendency to rust, and I usually use 4 nails to a side. That completes the bottom level of the box that you're building. Now, the galvanized nails will help keep it together, but I find the additional use of staples will help keep it steady so that it doesn't fall apart on the ground, since we're using only a thin material instead of big slapers. I use the Arrow staples that are about 9/16 of an inch or 14 millimeters. I find that's the best for holding the wood together with a staple gun. All right, this is the first level done, stapled all the ways around. So we need to build another one exactly like this. All right, now that you've got your 2 levels built, you need to put them together on the ground. Make sure that this side and this side are opposite, because that'll add strength to it when you put them together on the ground. All right, so the only way to get these 2 together now is to either use wood and use wood planks on top of it and nail them in. I prefer using a staple gun to get it done properly. Right, now that we have our box together and stapled, it's time to put the black wheat cloth on the bottom. That's the next step in this process. You can get this black wheat cloth at pretty much any garden center that deals with gardening. We're just going to use this to put it on the bottom of the box to prevent the weeds from growing up through once we get the box filled in with dirt. So now we're at the next stage. We're going to use the garden soil mix to go in our box, which has been prepared with our wheat cloth on the bottom. Now this is called Rich Grow Garden Soil Mix, and you can pick this up at any Bunnings, and it's relatively cheap, and it's great for planting straight into. So we'll find a spot for a box, put our box in. Now leave enough room between the other boxes for overgrowth of your plants. Once you get into place, now you can fill it in with dirt. Remember, when working with garden soil, there's a lot of microorganisms in the soil, and some of them can be detrimental to your health. So always wear garden gloves when working with soil. As you can see, each box takes approximately 4 bags to fill. So that's 100 liters of. Once you get the last bag in, just take an ordinary garden rake, which should fit between the 2 walls, and straighten out your soil. And you should come at it from both sides. Make sure it's raked through, and then level it off with the back of your rake. Now you have a box completely finished, and ready to plant whatever you feel like putting in it. Backyard box gardening.